shoot for Sunsilk's Damage Repair, so it's time to get glamorous again. I always enjoy getting dressed up and being made up for a print shoot. Since my day-to-day look is usually very simple, nakakatuwang makita ang sarili ko na elegant ang damit at maganda ang ayos. Being photographed by Mark Tikdao also means that the photos will turn out very well.
Ikaw ba nag-makeup? Yes! Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa DPI XL Studio para po sa photoshoot ng Sunsilk Damage Repair variant.
We're doing the shoot with Sarah Geronimo for the newest campaign of Sunsilk. It's actually going to come out June or July this year, but you'll see it. It's the relaunch of Orange Sunsilk. It's Damage Reconstruction Range. We'll do two layouts. So one is yun nga, yung medyo straight. The other layout will be one with a bit of body and some waves.
Requirements niya, meron kaming gagayahin actually na damit, which is this one. May mga nauna ng shinoot in another country. So from this guide, ang gusto ng art director ng agency is we use beige or champagne color na base. So we got this one, pinili siya talaga from the swatch nagsimula, and then we decided on the color of the fringe. So pinagawa siya. We only have one dress for today. Since this is a for shampoo ad, important na mas nakikita natin yung magandang hair. So in order to do that, the client wants mag-strap lang. Malinis lang dapat dito so that mas bida yung hair. And then may detail ng konti kung sakaling magkaroon ng tight shot. May detail siya ng flap. And then yun, may fringe, may full body shot din siya. So basically, nag-suggest ako ng flap na idea, tsaka overlap. Ang designer na nagwagi ay si Red Ayala for this one.
Bagay kasi dapat yung kahit siguro the way siya. Design. Yeah. 2, 3, go.
Ang client specifically requested na ang waist part niya is fitted because they noticed na maganda siya parati pag fitted yung damit more than masyadong loose. Yun lang yung ni-request nila. So, we took that into consideration.
Ready? Mukha na umiwalay.
For accessories, she will wear stud earrings na diamonds. And then for shoes, beige platform sandals. Ito yun.
Medyo nasa warm tones. Yun yung instructions nila sa akin. Sa mga parang sun-kissed. Medyo gold, gano'n. Even the color of the lips, medyo coral yung color. Same makeup lang for all. Parang natural lang. We made touches lang of gold sa mata. Tsaka yun, yung lips na meron silang specific na medyo orangey ng konti.
Siyempre, Sarah's been with Sunsilk for years now. So, in every variant, you'll really expect a Sarah campaign talaga to highlight each variant. So, after pink and green, orange naman. The product is actually, it reconstructs the hair so that you get to style it whichever way you want. So, you can do whatever you want with your hair without worrying about damage. We're urging all girls to enjoy their hair, do whatever they want without worrying about damage. So today you'll see Sarah in different hairstyles. So medyo meron straight hair, meron parang curly hair, wavy hair, and then you'll see that even if she does whatever it is that she wants to do with her hair, maganda pa din, syempre, dahil protected siya by Sunsilk. Oh, hindi lang siya usual straight. So, it will have body, minsan merong konting waves, gano'n. So, makikita nila yun. Iba-ibang poses talaga yung gagawin natin with Mark Tikdao.
Yan naman pala. Nice! Do you want the shoulders na even na ganyan or you want isa mataas na mga
healthy the buhok. Important na mapakita maganda yung hair niya with using the product. From there naman, this will be a breeze kasi it will do tight shots and then full shots, so wala tong hassle. Isa sa mga madadaling shoots ito.
Lovely. Next.
You deserve whatever success na meron sa buhay natin. As in, you deserve it because you are a hardworking person, God-fearing, and masunurin sa magulang, and professional katrabaho. Alam mo yon, parang perfect ang bata eh. So, whatever it is na nakukuha mo ngayon na magaganda, deserve mo yan. And kung meron namang mga hardship na pinagdadaanan, blessing din yun eh. Kasi knowledge yan eh. You're gonna need it in the future. Pero ang wish ko sa'yo, kung ano man yung hinihiling mo, matutupad yan. Kasi yun yung wish ko eh. So, i-wish mo na lahat ng wish mo kasi matutupad. Kasi yun yung wish ko. Diba? Happy birthday, Sarah. And sobrang saya ko dahil ang laki nung tiwalang binigay mo sa akin. And up till the end, kung photographer pa ako, after 50 years, 60 years, as in full service, para sa yan, Sarah. Happy birthday.
Hey, Sarah, happy birthday, and best wishes, enjoy your day, alright?
Sometimes I can't help but have dry and damaged hair because of too much styling and lots of hair products. It comes with being a performer, host, actress, and endorser kasi of course, kailangan laging maganda at maayos ang hair. That's why perfect product din for me ang Sunsilk Damage Repair, which is enriched with olive serum Nutri Complex. It gently cleanses and gives care to damaged hair, layer by layer and strand by strand.
Yung last time, nakaupo si Sarah with Yuko. This time, nakatayo naman. So, yun yung pagkakaiba. Napakabilis. Kasi, knowing Sarah, alam na niya yung gagawin. Every time she comes in the shoots, alam niya na yan.
Ano lang? Konti lang. Yeah.
Continuation lang nung campaign with Sarah, yung hair ad niya. So what we did is we recreated a photograph na pag pinagdikit sila, magkasama sila. Because apparently wala dito si Teddy Charles, but there's a shot na already. We asked her to do a variety of expressions and poses na pwedeng ikabit with Teddy Charles. I took care, syempre, kung paano maayos ma-frame yung photo. So, meron kaming stand-in para pag pinagdikit, mukha talaga sila magkasama.
Yeah, Sarah's gonna take the place of this girl and we're gonna have a stand-in for Tomaso. It's gonna be our account manager.
We worked with Mark na siguro on several projects and syempre very reliable, and ngayon I think they're also working comfortably together, so talagang siya lagi yung top of mind naming photographer for every shoot. Talagang sila, very comfortable working with each other and very fun, and sobrang kalog si Sarah pag shoot. So at least parang people will really see a different side to her here. Kung hindi lang siya talagang pop star, diba?
Okay, that's the pose.
Yeah, that's the vibe that we want to get with this campaign. We just want a fun vibe because we want girls to realize how enjoyable it is to be free to do anything with their hair with Sunsilk's help. We always make it a point to cross-check it with her image. I mean, we wouldn't want to come up with an idea na hindi rin bagay sa kanya because she's the endorser. We build our concepts around her and what we think would fit her kasi siya yung peg namin for the Sunsilk women. She makes the atmosphere in the set really light because as she enters the set pa lang, nakasmile na siya. So, she looks really approachable, friendly, down to earth, no air of celebrity at all to her.
Ready and go.
She's very natural. She's very likable and of course very credible. So she really uses our products and she really shares it with her fans. So I think that it really comes out naturally with her. So it's exactly what we're looking for in Sunsilk.
Okay. We're done? Yeah. We're done. Group chat? Finito. Picture time, game. 24/70, please. Oh, everyone. Go.
Saya, Sarah, the usual. Sarap ka trabaho. Makakanta pa, libre.
And that's the end of our shoot today. Thank you po for joining us at abangan niyo po yung print ad nitong damage repair variant ng Sunsilk.
I'm really lucky to be trusted with the companies that I endorse. Thank you very much to all these companies and of course to God for all the blessings. Maraming salamat din sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta ng mga products na ine-endorse ko. Guys, remember to always take care of yourself from head to toe para you can be confident in facing the whole world. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
Hi SARS, it's me. I just want to tell you, happy birthday. Have a happy birthday. Have a happy year. I know that minsan lang tayo mag-usap pag backstage tayo at nagkakasama or nagtatagpo sa hallway ng studio, pero I know that you're very close rin sa mga taong close din sa akin. So, I want you to know na andito rin ako para sa'yo, na in the same way, alam kong may mga napag-usapan na rin tayo na alam kong nandyan ka rin para sa akin. Kaya, mahal kita, Sarah, kahit hindi tayo sobrang close, nararamdaman ko na isa kang mabait na tao, na totoong tao. So, stay that way and continue to inspire other people, and we all admire you for your hard work and for your excellence sa ginagawa mo. At alam kong mahirapan kang tanggapin yon, pero tanggapin mo na. Ang galing-galing mo. And Sarah Geronimo ka na. So for that, may you have many more years to come. May you enjoy lahat ng may bibigay sa'yo ng taon mo na to. And I really want to see you bloom pa. Mas pa sa kinabloom mo ngayon. So happy birthday, Sarah.
I think pang 9th year mo na sa showbiz nito, and grabe din ang blessings na tinatamasa mo ngayon, and you deserve everything that what you're having right now is talagang deserving mo na makuha. So, congratulations at marami pang dadating na blessings sa'yo, and just keep your feet on the ground, and alam ko namang well-grounded ka pa rin, and God-fearing ka pa rin. Maintain mo lang yan, at nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Congratulations and happy birthday. And I can't wait to see you soon, especially magkasama tayo sa US yata. So, September. And may iba pang countries na makasama ako sa show mo ulit for change. So, see you soon and happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your special day with your loved ones. Sa Araneta concert mo. I'll be watching you.